Cheyenne Oil and Gas began operating in 1985 with the North Star 1 jackup platform. Over the years, the company increased its presence in the oil and gas segment with hydraulic production rigs and the SC Lancer drill ship. More recently, its activities in the segment were further expanded by the Victoria 10,000, Sertão, and Cerrado dynamically positioned drill ships, and the SS Pantanal and SS Amazonia semi-submersible drilling platforms. Today, Cheyenne Oil and Gas provides a wide range of drilling, completion, and maintenance services for oil and gas wells, and qualifies for the Great Brazilian Challenge, exploiting the pre-salt layers. Committed to the country's energy needs, the company is preparing to work on a new front, offering oil production services and fluctuating production units of the FPSO type. Employing the highest technology standards and endowed with highly qualified personnel, Cheyenne Oil and Gas stands out for the outstanding performance of its operations and for the safety records over the years of the equipment run by the company.